After traveling far from home, UGO and LALA build a fun truck stop for tired drivers. Looks like dinner's ready. Enjoy the show! Drivers from everywhere stop at UGO's truck stop for food, rest, and a little fun. But one truck arriving today carries a surprising secret. UGO and LALA discover the animals inside are scared and tired from the long trip.
Oh no, poor things. Don't worry, we'll help you.
Sometimes the best help is simply letting animals return to the wild. After helping the animals, the truck stop becomes the happiest stop on the highway. And every night, the ancient TV plays cartoons for tired drivers. UGO's truck stop becomes famous along the highway. But the adventure for UGO and LALA is never over. The magical TV is showing something new. A new adventure.